Hello, everyone. Welcome back. Today, we're diving into a quick and useful tip: how to take a screenshot in Telegram's secret messages. Start by opening your Telegram app and navigating to the conversation in secret chat that you want to capture. If you try to take a screenshot, you'll encounter a message saying, "Can't screenshot due to security policy." This is because Telegram's secret chats are designed to protect privacy and block screenshots. However, there's a workaround. You can use third-party apps like Snapsaver or similar screen capture tools to get the job done. Just ensure you're respecting privacy and using these tools responsibly. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this video helpful, remember to give it a like, share it with your friends, and hit that subscribe button for more tips and tutorials. See you in the next one.